How to use temporary chats on Gemini. Hello everyone and welcome to Tech Talk. Temporary chats on Gemini is like Google Incognito mode. You will chat with the Gemini AI and there will be no history left behind. But how to use it? So first thing first, open Google Gemini. If you don't have Google Gemini app installed, you can open Google Gemini with any web browsers. So once you open it, on top left hand side of your screen, you will find this hamburger icon, so tap on it. And here on top of your screen, right beside new chat, you will find this chat icon, so tap on it. And there you go. You have successfully enabled temporary chats. Now you can simply ask Gemini whatever you want and the chat won't be appearing in your recent chats. So basically there will be no history left behind. So here to verify, let me ask Google Gemini a question. And as I have already made a chat, if I go back and try to see it in my chat history, it won't appear here. So this is how you can enable temporary chats on Google Gemini. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching. Follow us for more helpful tutorials. Subscribe.